Not liking what you see on Instagram Reels lately? In 2026, you can now customize your algorithm. Here's how to control what shows up on Instagram Reels. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Content Preferences. Now select your algorithm. You'll see a summary of what Instagram thinks you're interested in based on your activity. Under What You Want to See More Of, tap any topic to increase it. If you don't like a topic, move it to See Less or remove it completely. Tap Add to type topics you want more or less of. Tap the arrow to save each one. Go back to Reels and refresh your feed. Your algorithm will now adjust to your new preferences. Changes may take some time to fully apply, so keep interacting with content you actually like. And that's it. That's how to customize your Instagram Reels algorithm in 2026. Like and subscribe for more Instagram tips.